In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera on Zoom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to manage your video with confidence during any meeting. There are many situations where you might want to turn off your camera. Maybe you need a quick moment of privacy, your internet connection is slow, or you simply want to focus on listening instead of being on video. Whatever the reason, Zoom makes it very easy to do this. Let's go step by step. First, make sure you are already inside a Zoom meeting, but controls you need will only appear when you are actively in a call. If you don't see any controls on your screen, don't worry. Zoom often hides them to give you more space. Just move your mouse slightly or tap your screen and the toolbar will appear. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your meeting window. You'll see a small camera icon labeled Stop Video or Start Video depending on your current status. This is the button that controls your camera. To turn off your camera, simply click that video button. As soon as you click it, your camera will turn off instantly. To confirm, look at the icon again. You should now see the camera symbol with a red diagonal line across it. This is Zoom's clear visual indicator that your video is off. Once your camera is off, other participants will no longer see your live video. Instead, they'll usually see your profile picture or just your name, depending on your Zoom settings. If you're using a smaller screen, like a laptop or mobile device, the layout might look slightly different, but the video icon will still be located along the bottom toolbar. If it's hidden, just tap or click to bring the controls back. Now, here's something important to remember. Turning off your camera does not mute your microphone. You can still speak and be heard unless you also mute your audio. It also doesn't disconnect you from the meeting. You'll still be able to see shared screens, chat, and follow everything happening. If you ever want to turn your camera back on, simply click the same button again. The red line will disappear and your video will resume. Here are a couple of quick tips. If your internet connection is weak, turning off your camera can help improve call quality. If you're in a noisy or distracting environment, turning off video can help you stay present without worrying about your background. And that's it. Turning off your camera on Zoom is quick, simple, and very useful once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.